So today we're going to be replacing a wheel stud. Now the truth is, I've already replaced two of them because the tire store rattle gunned them and bent them. So I replaced this one, and this one probably was okay, but this one was definitely bent. They only sold me two, otherwise I'd replaced more of them. But it turns out this one is probably bent too, but not a lot. So I've taken the wheel off, the parking brake is off, and we should be able to turn the wheel now, right? So I'm going to take the whole brake assembly off, not just the caliper. Where did that go? Hopefully that didn't go too far. Okay, so let's... Where's a good spot? There's a good spot. Okay, so let me hang that up. Oh, there it is. You need that. So, in order to get the parking brake or the disc off, you're probably going to have to undo the drum assembly just a little bit. So you look for the through hole. Put that here to the bottom. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver, flat-bladed screwdriver, and oh, that's the hole. Now we're gonna go down this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That should be enough to get the disc off. There we go. Okay. Alright. I really fought with this the last time because I was trying to use this area or this area to get the stud out, but it turns out this area right up here is pretty good. So this is the one I marked it that we need to remove. So let's put that there. Use an old lug. This is an old lock. And then okay, there we go. You don't have to hit it too hard, and it's way easier with the lug on it. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Oh, I forgot my mag. Okay, you'll need another washer and a 12mm by 1.5, which is the stud size. Let's see here, where'd it go? Whoops. Okay, it came out. Now don't confuse this with the new one. So throw that one away. So this is our new one. Nice and shiny. Ooh. Let's see. Remember, this is the through hole. This is the lug stud. So oh, let's see here. Where did it go? Well, not where we needed it. Oh yeah, see, there's a lot of room there now. I really fought with this the last time, trying to take it out over here. Yeah, don't do that. Now, I forgot something. Where is it? This one. This is a 5/8 wrench, and it's just big enough to put the stud through. I bought a bearing installer that you put and it spins, blah blah blah, but this lip is too close so I can't use it. See if you can get the splines lined up just a little bit. Okay, and then you tighten that down just like that. Where's the gun? There. Now, some people will say don't use an impact, but just to draw it in, I think it'd be fine. Now, don't right until it won't move anymore. We just need to draw it in, and that should be fine. So put your finger on the back. Don't squeeze it. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's seated. Your light and a mirror, and just look back there. Yeah, looks good. So remember, you don't have to rattle it until it's completely finished. So now we replaced it. So this area right here, super convenient. So let's go ahead and put it back together again. Got to put the drum back on. Well, the disc drum. There's it. Okay, there we go. But now we have to tighten up the brake, the parking brake. Now this time we're going to be going up, right? Not down. There we go. So that's that. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're listening for just a little bit of rub. That's a drag on it, but what you're listening for is like kind of a sandpaper kind of sound. So that should be good. Now let's go ahead and put the brake on, and I think that should be it. Right one. I know I'm in your way. Sorry. And then torque it to the correct spec. This is bonus footage. I've been having trouble getting my grease zerk off the grease fittings. So you push the nipple on, or you push it on the nipple, and then I can't get this thing off to save my life. But if you unscrew it, let's see as it goes the other way. If you unscrew it, it takes pressure off the little part that grabs, and it'll come right off. So I did not know that. So